Okay guys, here is part 2 of stocking and decorating the guest bath shelves. I have no idea why, but I have this urge to just since you can probably use these in the shower, I'm just going to put it on the lower shelf instead of the top shelf. I'm just going to put the shower steamers right next to the body scrubs. I thought it would be cute to add in a little holiday decor. I'm going to add in a candle here. Okay, thank me later. Use these room sprays. They're super concentrated, so they're great for the toilet. These will go next to the candle. Okay, I just feel like it's missing something here, so I'm going to add this basket. I'm going to add a little essential oil to the inner part of the toilet paper. I just feel like it makes guests feel a little extra special. Adding some cleansing wipes. Sorry about this flickering going on. I have no idea what the issue is. But this is basically how the guest bath of this portion turned out. I really love everything. And top shelf is anything bath related, so bubble bath and bath salt. Here we have the body scrubs and the shower steamers, and then just like a couple scents, toilet paper, cleansing wipe, and yeah, that's about it.
Yo, she really took the drinks out of the bottles and put them in oh my goodness, she's on too much TikTok.
There's nothing on my hand. Then I just look at this. This is what we're drinking. What the hell?